Hello everyone, this is my review of the Dongmuwujee solidwood overbed bedside table. I picked this up because I wanted a comfortable way to use my laptop, read, and eat while sitting in bed, and this rolling overbed table has been really useful. The height adjusts easily, and I really like that the main tabletop tilts to create a more comfortable angle for reading or working. The separate side section stays flat, which is convenient for keeping a drink, phone, or other small items nearby. The wheels make it easy to move around, and the solid wood top gives it a much nicer look than a typical hospital-style table. Overall, if you want a versatile rolling table for working, reading, eating, or using a laptop from a bed or chair, this Dongmuuigi overbed table is definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.